Welcome to Cloud Security Training Crash Course, powered by TONEX.com. Cloud Security Training Bootcamp by TONEX gives specialized subtle elements on data, information, and capacity security in the cloud. All parts of verification, classification, uprightness, accessibility and security dangers and alleviations are secured. Who should attend? IT professional, information security, privacy practitioners, business managers, service providers. All boot camp includes experienced instructors including senior technology leaders, project managers, technical authors, engineers, educators, consultants, course developers, and CTOs. Real-life examples and practices. Small class size. Personalized instructor mentoring. Pre-training discussions. Ongoing post-training support via email, phone and WebEx. Cloud Security Training Crash Course Objectives. Audit the present condition of information security and capacity in the cloud, including secrecy, honesty, and accessibility. Find out about the Character and Access Administration (IAM) home for validation, approval, and reviewing of the clients getting to cloud administrations. Find which security administration structures and guidelines are applicable for the cloud. Comprehend the protection angles you have to consider in the cloud, incorporating how they contrast and conventional figuring models. Take in the significance of review and consistency works inside the cloud, and the different guidelines and systems to consider. Analyze security conveyed as an administration and alternate aspect of cloud security. Course outline. What is cloud computing? Cloud deployment models. Cloud computing reference architecture. Technical description of cloud. Layers. Clients. Applications. Platforms. Infrastructure. Servers. Building cloud networks. Virtualization overview. Federation, presence, security, and privacy in the cloud. Cloud computing standards and best practices. Deployment models. Public cloud. Security and access control. Managing end-user access to cloud computing. Assets supported by the cloud. Cloud computing security framework. Security issues associated with the cloud. Dimensions of cloud security. Infrastructure security. Security and privacy. Data security and storage. Identity and access management. Security management in the cloud. Physical and personnel security. Availability. Application security. Privacy. Audit and compliance. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.